again, today we're going to be focusing on balance. So all you're going to need is your chair. Most of the exercises will be done outside of the chair, always holding on. So to start off with, we're going to start off with seated weight shifts. So in order to do that, go ahead and start off at the edge of your seat with your chest up nice and high. What we're going to focus on is gently rocking ourselves from side to side, just seeing how that feels. We're going to stay here for about 30 seconds. Again, just shifting our weight side to side. If you'd like to challenge yourself, go ahead and lift one foot off. Again, just challenging our balance, our core stability. We're 15 seconds in. Keep it up, everyone. From here, we'll be up on our feet. So keep going for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Go ahead and gently come off your chair. And like I said, everything that we do standing is always going to be done behind our chair as a safety precaution. So your first movement is going to be a narrow stance. Narrow stance meaning your feet come together. So all we're going to do here is we're going to hold. Please feel free to hover above the chair, just in case if you lose your balance, the chair will always be there to catch you. So let's go ahead and hold here for 15 seconds. Let's just see how it feels. If you would like to challenge yourself, go ahead and slightly shift your body weight from the right leg to the left leg. Good. So when it comes to balance, there's going to be 3 things that I focus on. One is going to be oculomotor, which are your eyes. So the difference between keeping our eyes open versus closing our eyes. The second thing is vestibular, your ears. That's going to be mixing the fluid around your ears. And the third one is going to be awareness of your body. So to test out your eyes, what we want to do is go ahead and hold on to the chair, keeping yourself in that narrow stance. I just want you to close your eyes. So right here. So what we're testing again is our vision. When we take our focal point, so when we take our eyes out of it, do we still feel as balanced? Is it a little more challenging here? Let's go ahead and hold. Just keep breathing for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Go ahead and open your eyes. The next one are the ears. So in this position, again, you're always welcome to hover or to hold. I want you to move your head side to side. This one is going to be focusing on mixing the fluid in our ears. So go ahead and just look side to side. Do you feel like this is a little more challenging than closing your eyes? These are just things I want you to think about. Let's go for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Good. And the very final one is awareness of your body. What we're going to do here is, again, always hovering or holding on. I want you to gently move your arm up and down. To challenge yourself, you're going to use both. We're going to stay here for 15 seconds. Again, just feel this out. Do you feel like this is a little easier or harder than either closing your eyes or moving your head? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice, everyone. Go ahead and catch your breath. So that was our narrow stance. Now we're going to focus on semi-tandem. Our semi-tandem is going to be, our big toe is going to be parallel to our heel. So again, big toe parallel to your heel. It's going to look just like so. So we're just going to start off with holding. I have my left foot forward and my right foot back. So go ahead and hold here. See if you feel balanced or not. Again, just holding here. So our next one is going to be closing our eyes. So in each and every position that we hold, we're going to go ahead and test our vision, our ears, and the awareness of our body. So from here, go ahead and hold on to the chair and go ahead and close your eyes. Again, just breathing here. Do you feel like you're slightly shifting your weight? Do you feel balanced? Do you not feel balanced? Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go ahead and open your eyes. The next one, like I said, are the ears. So from here, go ahead and move your head side to side. Try to see how this one feels. Again, we have our eyes open for this, and we're just looking side to side. For 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Very nice. Good. And the final one that we're going to be testing, again, is the awareness of our body. So adding some movement. Your level 1 is going to be just like so. Your level 2 is going to be both arms. So go ahead and try this out. Again, we're here for 15 seconds. Let's try to gauge out how it feels. From here, we're going to go ahead and switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Go ahead and take 2 deep breaths here. Second deep breath. Very nice, everyone. Now go ahead and switch. I'm going to go right foot forward, left foot is parallel to my heel. So in this position, again, we're just going to hold. We want to see if we feel equal on both sides. Do you feel like this feels comfortable? Do you feel like this is a little harder than your opposite side? Again, we're just going to go ahead and hold, trying to gauge out how our balance feels. Now, our second version is going to be closing our eyes. So let's go ahead and do that. And again, just hold. Again, like I said, when it comes to balance, we're going to be testing out 3 things. So testing the eyes, the ears, and the awareness of our body is going to be what essentially helps us improve that balance. So again, let's go ahead and move the ears or move the head side to side, keeping our eyes open for this one. Go ahead and continue this movement out for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice, everyone. And the last one, moving the arms. Again, you're always welcome to just move one arm at a time. Whatever you're comfortable with. Again, just listen to your body. See how this feels. Keep that up for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice, everyone. Let's take 2 deep breaths, and we've got 2 final movements to focus on. First deep breath in, and second one. Very nice. So now, in this position, so standing up, I want you to bring your feet right next to each other, so back into our narrow stance. Go ahead and hold with one hand. What we're going to do, focusing on the right leg, I want you to tap forward, tap side, tap back. Again, tap forward, tap side, tap back. Let's see how your balance feels here. Forward, side, back. To challenge your balance, hover. Forward, side, back. Let's go 2 more times, everyone. Forward, side, back. Last one here. Forward, side, back. Very nice. Go ahead and switch your chair over. So now I'm going to hold the chair with my right hand, and I'm going to be focusing on my left foot. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Forward, side, back. I'm bringing my arm out to help me focus on my balance just a little more. Back. Again, forward, side, back. Really focusing on taking a big step forward, a big step to the side, and a big step back. 2 more times. Forward, side, back. Last one here, everyone. Forward, side, back. Very nice. Go ahead and sit on your chair. We're going to end off with our weight shifts once more. So with the weight shift, I want you to go ahead and bring your feet a little wider than your shoulders. Chest is up, and what we're going to do is we're going to work in a circle now. Bringing our chest forward, side, back, and back around. See how this feels. Do you feel balanced? Do you feel your core working in this position? Keep breathing through it. 2 more times this way, and we're going to go back the opposite way. Very nice. Let's go in the opposite direction. So this is your week 1 of balance. Every week we're going to be focusing on those 3 components, which are your eyes, your ears, as well as awareness of your body. 2 more times. Take it nice and slow, everyone. Last one here. Very nice. All right. So this is your small little glimpse of what we're going to be expecting within the next 4 weeks. Again, you're going to be having 1 strength day, 1 balance day. So your strength day, focusing on strengthening your whole entire body, and the balance, focusing on improving our balance to prevent falls. Again, thank you so much for coming out and enjoy the rest of your day.